So today we're gonna play again at the playground, and then we're going to the park and go to. But first, we are going to go to this store called Mukbang in Korea, and we're gonna do the cool tradition. So 3, 2, 1, go! We're here. Okay, guys. So this is the store. This is called Mukbang. So let me just show you around.
Guys, do you know sweat and jelly? This is a sweat and jelly. This cola sweat and jelly, and
this is the cotton candy one, but it's also sold out.
this is a sweat and style jelly. I don't know that. We are buying this and
Yeah. And guys, let me just show you the area. So here are all like the small little candy area, like chocolate bars and candies. And here just like the drinks. Here are all like the this is like a Chinese type of like a snack. It's quite spicy. And yeah, here's all the Chinese food. Yeah, here are all like the snacks you can eat. And here are all the ice cream. There's so much ice creams here. There's like ice bars, ice creams, you name it, guys. And they're also cheap. And here is like my favorite section. There we have keychains, some like polka baskets.
I buy this.
Yeah,
and
we're buying this.
Chinese snack.
Yeah.
Same.
And we have some like carrot design stationery and some more nice toys here with some bags, some more stationery. And we also got like a beach slime, but we can't afford that. Yeah, so anyways, there's quite a lot of things here. Most of these things here are quite cheap. So yeah, that's good. If you have a chance to come here, then of course come. It's really good. Okay, now let's go back to our apartment. In 3, 2, 1, go!
Here.
Yes, guys, we're here at our apartment, guys. So today we're going to try out some new snacks that we bought and that we have kind of prepared for this video. So we will be eating them, I guess. Let's go! Okay, guys, so we have kind of set it up the snacks here.
Okay.
So let me just show you.
This is a Japanese jelly, and this is a Sweden jelly. It's not from Sweden.
Yeah.
Its name is Sweden style jelly, and this is a Chinese snack.
Yeah.
It's so spicy. Okay. This is bread.
Yeah.
My favorite bread this name is potato bread. This is so
Like,
sweet. Oh,
yeah. Okay, guys, so we'll first be trying these jellies.
Yeah.
Okay, now let's just get into the video. Okay, guys, so we have our jelly. So this here is the grape jelly, as you can see.
And this is a shine muscat jelly.
And we have a mango jelly. So let's see who'll be eating first. Rock,
Okay.
scissors, paper, shoot.
Oh
Okay.
my God.
So what do you want to eat?
I don't know.
Eat the grape one?
Grape.
Okay, so let's see.
Oh my gosh.
Okay.
This is a jelly that.
Yeah, it's really like, what do I say? Shiny, I guess. Okay. Is it yummy? Okay, you have to tell what the flavor is. What does the like taste feel like?
It's so sweet and oh yeah, this is so sweet and delicious.
Yes, okay. So I'll be choosing my one now. So let's see. I want to try this mango one here. So I'm just gonna rip it. Okay. This is like a really like fruity, I guess. Really tropical. And it tastes just like mango, guys. But it's kind of artificial. But it's good anyway. Okay, now you pick one.
My pick is a shine muscat jelly. This is I tried it. It's the same taste that.
Really?
Yeah.
It's the same taste?
Yeah.
Not even a slightly different?
Oh, well, this is
Is it more artificial?
yeah.
Oh, okay. Is it good?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Guys, we eat this jelly.
Yeah.
This is a Sweden style jelly, but it's not from Sweden.
Yeah, it's kind of like a copied version of it. So now we ate the jelly. Now we're gonna eat this. Okay.
Oh
So
my
it
God.
looks like this. I mean, I think it's an octopus. I don't know why it looks like that. And it kind of have like a brown and white
Oh my God.
color.
Wait.
Earlier, this looks real.
Sorry. I wanna eat fast.
Okay. So let's first describe it as this.
Oh, huge.
Yeah, so it looks like a weird octopus creature here.
Ooh.
It's white and it kind of
Oh.
reminds me of a cola jelly, but it's not a cola jelly. Let's first eat.
Oh, this smells cooler.
Oh wait, it
it's
does.
Haribo cola jelly that.
But it's
Oh my
kind of
God.
sweetened. Let's see.
Mm.
Okay, so it is cola. It's quite
Yeah.
chewy.
But this is so sticky.
Yeah, it's quite sticky. It has these sugars here, as you can see.
Is this sugar?
Feels
my
quite
God.
artificial.
Oh my gosh.
It feels kind of artificial.
Mm.
Bit too sticky. It looks so sticky. It.
Oh, great.
Oh,
Sorry.
it's real sticky though.
Okay. This is This is cola. This is not cola.
It tastes like cola, but it's quite artificial cola. The more you, like, to be honest, the more you eat it, the more cola it tastes. I guess.
I do like this.
Yeah.
But this is $3.
Yeah, it's $3, guys.
Oh my,
Really expensive. Really expensive.
oh my gosh, my jelly.
Okay, guys. It accidentally fell on the floor.
It's 5 cents.
Okay, so this is really expensive. Taste is not that good. So I give it a 6 out of 10. Let's go on the next snack. Okay, guys, this is our next snack. This is a Chinese spicy kind of snack. It's called sogonyak, so let's try it.
Okay. She don't eat spicy food.
Yeah, I can't eat spicy food, but I will be trying at least one.
Oh, this color is so red. Oh my god.
Yeah, like the sauce of it's so red.
That go. This. And this.
Yeah, this.
Oh
I
my
mean, guys, this is so Photoshop, guys. Look how good this looks, and this is how it actually looks. Reality, guys. Reality. What is this?
I tried this.
It smells like feet, but it probably will be tasty. Is it tasty? Is it spicy?
This is so good.
Okay, let me try it too.
Grace, this is spicy.
It's not as spicy as I expected.
This is my favorite Chinese snack. But this is so spicy.
This is good. It is spicy. It kind of smells
Okay.
weird.
We eat together.
Yeah.
Okay.
So
Oh,
this.
great.
So we'll give this a 6 out of 10.
Oh, this is what? This is a
Yeah, we give this a
Oh my
6
God.
out of 10. Now let's go with the bread, potato bread.
Oh
Okay, guys, can you open this for me? Wait, how do you open it? How do you open it? What? Girl. Can you open this for me? Guys, I'm just gonna try one more of these. I mean, just one more. Yeah. Girl. Really? I'll save it for later.
It's not a food.
So,
Let's try this. This is a potato
bread.
bread.
Mmm.
This is a potato. This.
Yeah. Tastes good. I give this a 8 out of 10. Okay, guys. We rated every single thing here. So, yeah, the jellies have to be probably a 9 out of 10. The jelly was nice, fruity, and really delicious. So let's give an overall haul of this mukbang thing that we did today. Okay, guys. So, Ella's favorite snack of this haul was this potato bread. Yes, how was it? Was it nice? What's the flavor of it?
Very nice, and this is so sweet and salty.
Yeah. Okay.
Next.
Now, my favorite snack, of course, was probably this jelly here, this mango jelly especially. It had like a nice mango flavor, quite artificial, but it was okay. So guys, that was the end of today's video. Bye!